If you cannot explain what the root cause analysis is to your funders, you've already lost them at the start of your pitch. Let me give you a very practical example. There are two organizations, Organization A and Organization B. Organization A is trying to raise 100 grand in dollars, by the way. Organization B is also trying to raise 100 grand in dollars. What is the guarantee that each of these people will get the money? The answer is just root cause analysis. My guy, this is root cause analysis, as I've explained here. $100,000 for you to pitch for. And the problem you should pitch for is malnutrition. How will you solve it? Organization A comes and says, if you give us $100,000, we are going to build a kitchen and we will feed the whole people in Ijashe community in Ondo State. We believe that we will solve the issue and end it. Organization B comes into the picture and says, look, there is malnutrition ravaging both children and adults in the community. How we plan to solve that is this. We have mapped out a root cause analysis of why malnutrition currently exists in that Ijashe community. And here's how we would solve it. Malnutrition currently exists because food is expensive. Food is expensive because 60 to 70% of the crops, there's post-harvest losses. Post-harvest losses are occurring because you have bad roads. You have bad roads because there is weak legislation. Weak legislation has led to the fact that we don't even have storage facilities. So the farmers cannot afford it. And in order for them to break even, a crop that should have been sold for 1 naira is sold for 4 naira because they're still looking for that marginal difference. So our plan to solve this issue is not to build kitchen like Organization A. What we plan to do is, number one, raise a legislation between the local government, state government, and hopefully it gets to the federal level. So the funding you're going to be giving to us will be to see how we can lobby our way through. That's number one. Number two, while that is still going on in the picture, we plan to build storage facilities. Storage facilities to reduce post-harvest losses to a significant amount. Because we believe that if we can have storage facilities, have the roads fixed, and educate the farmers, we believe very strongly that Mrs. Ilesha and Mrs. Iyonopaja, who cannot afford the 4 naira tomatoes, would now be able to afford tomatoes because it is cheaper based on the solutions we have recommended. If you were the one writing a check of 100 grand, who would you give it to? Organization A or Organization B?